Hello guys, I am Shubham from Tutorials. This is the part 3 of GATE Excel PYQ series. So before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new videos out. This is absolutely free from your side, but it will help us grow. इस वीडियो में एज ए एग्जाम्पल एक क्वेश्चन जनरल एप्टीट्यूड का आई हैव चूजन ओके ऑफ गेट एक्सेल 2024 विच इज इजी टू अटेम्प्ट राइट 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन है. So in the sequence, these are the numbers 6, 9, 14, x, 30, 41. A possible value of x is okay. x की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. So now see the difference. Basically 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Then 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Okay, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 plus something will be x. Okay, now this is 3, this is 5. Here it will be 7. Right, here it will be 7. So 14 plus 7 is 21. Okay, 21. Then 21 plus 9 is equal to 30, which is the next number. And 30 plus 11 is equal to 41. Okay, so x is 21 here. Option 2 is the answer. So this was a simple question of general aptitude in the GATE Excel 2024, right? And as an example I showed you, okay, ऐसे और भी क्वेश्चंस आपको मिल सकता है. Aptitude is basically your answering skills towards question depending upon your mathematical knowledge, right? So as an example I showed you this. Now all together पार्ट 1 में हमने बायोकेमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए, राइट, ऑफ 16 मार्क्स. पार्ट 2 में zoology questions we saw of 18 marks. And in this video, which is the part 3, just as an example, एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया of general aptitude 1 marks. Okay, and this gives the total 35 marks. And if you see the cutoff of GATE 2024, see जो जनरल का ही कट ऑफ है दैट इज 29.3. मतलब जो हमने जितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए फ्रॉम द बेसिक नॉलेज और द कंटेंट अवेलेबल ऑन आवर चैनल, और ऐसे क्वेश्चन विच आर सिंपल टू आंसर, अटेम्प्टेबल क्वेश्चंस है, फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन क्रॉस द कट ऑफ. ओके, तो जनरल का ही 29.3 है. वी हैव गॉट 35 मार्क्स, राइट. ओबीसी एनसीएल ईडब्ल्यूएस 26.3 है and SC ST PWD 19.5. So this much knowledge also you can get 35 marks, and if you prepare more than this you can achieve a good score. Okay, this was just to show you from basic knowledge also GATE can be cleared. That's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.